Mohan Sisters, welcome to City 1016 podcast. Woohoo!
Thank you, Lokesh.
Thank you.
Well, do you guys realize that this is such a picture perfect moment? Like, this is such a fantastic frame to have all three star Mohan sisters in one frame. Do you guys realize the power of this together? Does it ever cross your mind?
I think I always do.
Yeah?
I always feel whenever my sisters are by my side,
Huh.
I'm this most chirpy and happiest person
Huh.
in the room because I know my sisters are around.
भले कॉफी नहीं आई हो सिस्टम
भले
में.
कॉफी आई हो, भूख लग रही हो,
हाँ.
नींद आ रही हो, but if Mukti and Shakti are around me, they are my
Espresso
energizers,
shots.
my coffee shots.
Okay, before I come to the coffee shots and the chai conversation, I want to understand, does it ever happen? Like, I was just thinking that all three of you have covered the three major departments of the entertainment industry. You got like actor in the same family, you got a dancer in the same family, you got a singer in the same family. Does it ever happen that a project comes to you, okay, and then they ask promotion on all three channels? Like, for example, Mukti is doing a film, but does it ever happen that the producers have come to you and said, नीति के इंस्टाग्राम पे भी थोड़ी प्रमोशन अगर मिल जाए या मुक्ति के भी इंस्टाग्राम पे प्रमोशन मिल जाए? डज इट एवर हैपन लाइक दैट?
बोलते नहीं because मिल ही जाती है.
मिल ही जाती है ना. They know it. I feel.
It comes naturally because we feel so proud of each other's
Right,
work.
right.
And we are always excited to share it. Oh my God, yay! When is it coming? Like Mukti के इतने सारे projects अभी back to back release होने वाले हैं. And we know that when she was getting married last year, उसके just पहले everybody was like in the family excited about the wedding, but we know
Right.
how hard she was working and traveling far off and in the mountains and shooting these shows and videos and movies. And बेचारी को शादी की कोई prep का time नहीं था.
हाँ.
So
आप
we
लोग
know
हो ना?
how much of work she's
Yeah.
put in, and now
हाँ.
it's finally about to release. So we are very excited.
Yeah. I'm going to come to individual projects like very, very soon. Chai coffee की बात चल रही थी. Who's a chai person? Who's a coffee person here?
I'm both.
You're-
I'm a coffee person.
You're a coffee person?
Coffee.
What kind of coffee do you prefer, Mukti?
I like espresso, and sometimes I like hazelnut or caramel in
Hmm.
it.
Hmm.
Like I like clean coffee.
Shakti?
I'm a strong cappuccino moving to Americano.
Oh, nice.
These days.
Very
She's coming to my
specific. Who's the adrak chai person here?
Me.
है ना? मुझे लग ही रहा था.
It is a
पर
chai
मैं जब
person.
इंडिया के बाहर जाती हूँ तो मैं खौफ है.
Accent.
We're all
घर पे
waiting.
जाके देसी चाय, and I really make nice chai.
Oh, nice.
So, yeah.
And like, how do you like your chai? Do you like a lot of spices in your chai?
अदरक होगा, उसमें इलायची होती है.
Hmm.
I put like really मतलब बहुत प्यार से मैं चाय बनाती हूँ अपनी, which has a vibe.
Okay, we're going to go back in time a little bit because I'm most fascinated by how it really, really works in the Mohan family. I think you guys, all the four sisters, you guys are such a shining example of Sharma ji ka beta. I think Sharma ji ka beta can take a back seat now because we have Mohan ji ki betiyan who are killing in every department. I know that the whole success story started with you, Neeti, becoming a pop star channel. I remember growing up and when I was in school and college, I was rooting for you that, hey, Neeti from Pitampura, Delhi, because I'm from Shalimar Bagh, and I felt like it felt so personal. Your success and your achievements felt so personal. But tell me when was that moment when each one of you thought that you have arrived in life? कि हाँ, मतलब काम अच्छा कर लिया हम लोगों ने, and we are now a great performer and a star as well. Shakti, I'm going to start with you.
Firstly, before we start, I want to say Mohan and Kusum ji ki betiyan.
Uh-huh.
I want to include my mother.
I stand corrected here. Mohan ji and
And
Kusum ji
Kusum ji
ki.
ki beti.
Mohan is your father's name or उनका
Father's name.
surname है?
Father's name.
Middle
Bridge
name.
Mohan.
अच्छा, okay.
His
And
middle
actually Sharma है, तो हम शर्मा जी की ही
No
बेटियां
way!
Bridge Mohan Sharma is his name, and Mohan हम इसलिए लगाते हैं because our father, is a big devotee of Lord Krishna.
Right.
तो
So Sharma ji ki betiya
Yep.
and Kusum ji ki betiya,
Yes,
full
Kusum
on.
ji ki betiyan also. So I think for all three of us, we are very close to what we do, and it's very important for us to enjoy what we do.
Right.
Baki stardom and being famous and everything else that has come along. I mean, I find us very fortunate that everything's fallen in place and people have given us the love and support.
Right.
But it just started from the genuine love for dance and music, we followed Didi. Didi was, you know, when we were growing up, Mukti and I used to watch कि दीदी क्या कर रही है रूम में. हम ऐसे रूम दीदी बंद करके ना म्यूजिक चला के, and then she had a very good taste. At that time in Delhi, she used to bring Tamil cassettes of Rahman sir.
Wow.
थिरुड़ा थिरुड़ा और ये सब म्यूजिक जो हमें लगता है ये कहाँ से गाने लेके आती है.
Right,
Very
right.
enriching.
तो मैं और मुक्ति बाहर से झांकते थे, देखते थे कि दीदी क्या कर रही है, क्या कर रही है. So हमें भी वही करना था जो दीदी कर रही है.
Right.
So then we saw her dance, so we wanted to dance.
Right.
Then जो उन्होंने पाथ हमारे लिए क्रिएट करते गए, क्योंकि हमारे फैमिली में दूर दूर तक ऐसे कोई भी नहीं है जहाँ हमने देखा कि कोई इस फील्ड में है. एंड आई थिंक दीदी इज अ पाथ ब्रेकर फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस, एंड वी जस्ट फेल इन लव with dance and music.
Speaking of A.R. Rahman, Neeti, I have to tell you this. I was working for a radio station in Delhi, Fever 104. I was doing the breakfast show, and we were the first radio station in Delhi to host A.R. Rahman concert, and we were doing it in Rajouri Garden. So we were all very excited about A.R. Rahman, you know, doing it for the first time, the radio station, all the RJs. We are super duper pumped and all that. We went to the venue. I was on stage. I introduced everyone, and one of the first few performances was Neeti. So she comes on stage, and of course we know her from the pop star and all that, but we didn't know what an incredible range you had. And more than A.R. Rahman, and I'm not even making this up, I still remember you sang Maiya Maiya. Mere rongte khade ho rahe as I'm speaking about it. And I stood transfixed. I was like, who is this talent? And I think for me, that was such a breakout moment in your journey. A.R. Rahman concert in Delhi for the first time. You're starting the concert with Maiya Maiya. I mean, how was the whole journey with A.R. Rahman, sir? I remember you started your journey with, you know, singing with him on different stages, right?
Yeah, आपने जैसे ये mention किया show, I so remember this evening, this concert,
Right.
and हम लोग we arrived 2 days in advance and we were rehearsing, and I think that was a memorable concert for me.
Yeah.
Well, every time I have performed with A.R. Rahman sir, I mean, it's like a dream come true. Since I was in school, I have heard his albums on repeat, and I mean, I know कि silence भी कितनी देर का है, you know, between two songs. I have heard audio cassettes, and जैसे आप board exam की तैयारी करते हो, I have prepared those songs like that. So I have learned so much from Rahman sir, and even now performing with him always is an honor, and I feel like he is an institution, and I have learned a lot, like not only just music, but life skills and human values. Also, how he treats everybody with so much respect.
Right.
I mean, I feel he's a perfect example of how an artist should be, and he's growing younger. I feel.
He is.
Every time I see him, I'm like, sir is growing younger. He looks like a teenager.
Yeah.
So much love, adulation, respect for him. Oh my God.
Yeah.
I mean, we are all diehard fans. We are
Absolutely.
like,
Yeah. I think everyone in the room right now behind the
Yeah.
camera also, everyone is like nodding, saying, yeah, we are all big fans of
we
A.R.
all are
Rahman.
big fans, and I feel like he has inspired this generation to listen to good music.
Yeah.
He has like brought this new sound to our country,
True.
and also taken our Indian sound so beautifully abroad to Hollywood. I mean, wow.
Say how the relationship has changed. Like, were you a little scared of him in the beginning, and now are you on backslapping terms with what's up, Rahman sir? Kya
I
chal
don't
raha hai
think
types?
it can ever happen. I still get goosebumps when I talk. Ask my sisters how I am in front
She
of
has
him.
never
Please
been
tell.
like that. I mean, for all of us, our gurus will always remain gurus.
Right.
They'll never be the question has changed and now, like they'll always be like that.
Oh my
And
God.
talking about what you were saying, that when you went and saw her perform, like that, I saw her perform in Pune because I knew that she's doing shows, but then we could never go and see it. The family traveled to Pune. They all drove, and I saw her and I just stood up like in my seat. I'm like, you were the only one in the show. Like, respect to
Everyone.
artist,
No, but you're right.
but the way she was connecting with the audience, I'm like, oh my God, I'm also getting goosebumps thinking about how she performs. And I don't think I have told her this like with so much love and intensity. But when she gets on stage, she's like a different person, and she engages each and every person in the room.
She holds you by your collar
Yes.
and demands attention कि मैं
Yeah.
गा रही हूँ. You better pay attention. I'll give you another example. This is Bollywood Parks, I think 2017 or 18. Again, Rahman sir is performing. She's on stage singing Chandra Lekha. And I'll try to explain as much as I can, okay? So we are all sitting in the VIP area where all the couches are there, okay? So all the friends, after a certain point in the concert, we were all relaxed. So we were all slouching in our sofas. Okay, and I was in the third row or the fourth row. And I saw all my friends, when you started singing, they all sat up slowly, सबकी जो पीठ थी जो बिल्कुल टेढ़ी हो चुकी थी, everyone sat up. That's incredible you are. And I'm not just saying it because you're in front of me right now. I have such vivid memories of your performances at different stages. So hats off to you. Speaking of Guru, you were talking about Guru. How is your relationship with your Guru? You started with now you're an actor, but Kapil Sharma के साथ आप comedy भी कर चुके हो.
So he's my very, very good friend.
Right.
And more like an elder brother.
हाँ.
मैं उनको कपिल पाजी, कप्पू partner ऐसे बुलाती हूँ. And the best thing about them, I always found, because I'm the youngest one in the family, I always got to see, जैसे हम सब ड्राइंग रूम में कहते हैं कुछ गा के सुनाओ, डांस करके दिखाओ या कुछ करके बताओ. तो किसी में मजा होता है, किसी में समझ होती है, किसी में you already have rich sense, of music and dance, and you want to show something, you want to tell a story.
Right.
So I was brought up in the most enriching, I think, family background, and more than that, the knack of finding the richness around me and going for finer details. It came very naturally because of them. And I'm so jealous. Like she got Terence sir, Shakti Di got Terence sir for Dance India Dance, and you saw before that she was training with him. Neeti Di had A.R. Rahman sir, the mentorship and the journey for you and everything, it catapults you.
True.
It takes you somewhere.
Right.
It makes you believe in your talent even more. I never had that. And I genuinely, I used to be upset, but I think it has dawned on me that I always had it because of them.
True.
They are my gurus.
True.
Thank God you
So-
said that, because I was going to feel bad. I have been your guru all my life.
They both have been the best mentors, best guides, best leaders, examples, from studies to school to
Right.
being in drama to being on stage, how to conduct yourself, how to speak to women, children, men. दिल्ली की लड़कियां हैं, हम DTC बसेस में भी जाते हैं,
True.
लड़के देखते भी हैं तो कैसे जवाब देना है.
True.
अब इससे बड़ा, I don't think you can call this a guru, but I think this is how they have always enveloped me and always made me feel so good about life and kept me positive. And a lot of people say, yaar ye kaisi khush hai, ye hamesha khush kyun hai? I think it's because of my upbringing, and my sisters have always given me that.
I'm very curious to know. आपने बोला कि घर में जब भी गेस्ट वगैरह आते थे कि गा के कुछ सुनाओ या कुछ डांस करके सुनाओ, सो आप लोग के घर में तो फुल ऑन परफॉर्मेंसेस होती होंगी क्योंकि
All the time.
राइट.
हम जबरदस्ती की पार्टी रखते थे.
हाँ.
और जैसे दिल्ली में ऐसा कुछ क्रिसमस बनाते नहीं है, पर हम लोग फिर भी ऐसे अपने पौधों पे लाइट लगा के
हाँ, तुलसी
हमने
पत्ते
सबको
पे
बुलाया और मैंने पूरा फेस पे पेंट करके राजस्थानी डांस कर रहे हैं, अपने किक्स कर रहे हैं, और हमारी फैमिली, मतलब जब बहुत देखना पड़ेगा, अभी हमने डांस अपना प्रिपेयर किया है, तो हम इस तरीके से बुला के अपना डांस सिखाते थे कि कोई नया गाना आया उस पे आप हमारी कोरियोग्राफी देख लो.
नाइस.
और मम्मी हमारे कपड़े सिलती थी. थोड़े ऐसे कोई कपड़े बचे हुए और ऐसा लगता था कि हाँ ये मैं सबके लिए बना देती हूँ, ये डांस में पहनना.
Right.
इस बार
Costumes वगैरह
annual
basically.
function. She used to be a full participate in everything, also motivate us about कि डांस मूव में अच्छा लगेगा, ये यूज करना या
Right.
फिर कुछ तिरंगा पहनना, ये करना.
Right.
Like even recently, during lockdown, we were really excited about this song, and it was a Jamaican, African, really nice, rooted, upbeat track. And Shakti Di was like, I can't stop dancing. What is this track? What is this track? She went to the terrace, choreographed a piece, and we were like, let's shoot this. We have to do this on our terrace. And मम्मी की नाइटी ली हमने और हमने ब्लाउजेस बना दिए.
What?
My mom made it. Mom stitched everything.
Because singing and
Yeah,
dancing
yeah.
is not good enough talent, so now you're becoming designers as well. Okay.
No, it's mother. Our
Acha,
mother is a
Mama ji is
designer.
making the-
She
okay.
stitched everything, and then she was so motivated. At the entire family, पूरा खानदान लग जाता है. Like it takes a village to raise a child.
Right.
So
It
it's
takes the entire family to
Yes.
make such superstars. Okay, all three of you women from Delhi. trying to make it big in Bombay. Tell me, how difficult does it get? I'm trying to get like a little bit of gender conversation into this. How difficult does it get for outsiders, one, and especially when you're women in the industry? Difficult, easy, crazy experiences, anything, Neeti?
I would like to start by saying that for women, be it any industry, it's harder.
True.
And I feel like my mom, when I was just like 10, 11 years old, 10 or 11, my mom told me that, there's a good touch, bad touch. She kind of prepared me that the world out there is not that nice.
True.
And they might, like, in the sense that you are innocent, so you have to be prepared. And I think that so slowly you were like, you will never be scared of anybody. If anybody looks at you in a weird way and makes you feel uncomfortable, you will look at them back till the time they don't shy away. If they touch you or, inappropriate kuch bhi ho, you will push them back, you will shout, you will make noise. So I feel like I'm so grateful to our mother that she taught us this when we were just growing up. And ऐसा कोई इंसिडेंट नहीं हुआ था दैट मैं शाय हो गई हूँ, तब तक हुआ नहीं था. सो आई फेल्ट लाइक शी गेव मी लाइक एक बैटन हाथ में दे देते ना कि अब मैराथन लड़नी है लाइफ टाइम. यू आर अ वुमन नाउ एंड you will walk into spaces and places where there will be not only women but men who will make you feel awkward. वहाँ पे उन men को जिनकी नज़र अच्छी नहीं है वहाँ पे बिल्कुल शाय मत होना, पीट देना, मतलब या बोल देना. तो I felt like I had this power given to my mother, given by my mother,
right.
And मैंने वो हर जगह exercise किया है. And I think even my sisters.
So I'm going
all
to
of us.
dig a little deeper into this, especially when you have moved to Bombay, there are opportunities that are coming your way. You want those opportunities.
Yeah.
But at the same time, the dynamics with people, especially with men, is not really going the way you want, right? Now, what do you do in a situation like this? Because we men have created this environment which is not very conducive for women, right? There are opportunities. You are an ambitious person, you are a talented person, you want success, but at the same time, there are these difficult situations, and you cannot really give back in those situations because the people on the other side of the conversation are very powerful. How do you then navigate through that? Like,
no, it's your choice.
Yeah.
Do you want to be in a room where somebody has more power than you? I don't want to be in that room.
So then you walk out, yeah?
You walk out and my mother always taught me your body language has to be so strong that men should think twice before even locating on you or try to touch you.
That's amazing.
It's very important, like how we are and how we choose to dress, how we want to talk, how we want to, what we want to be. Basically, मुझे लगता है कि women a lot of times don't have the freedom to be themselves because we are always thinking others
True.
वो क्या बोलेंगे,
True.
लोग क्या बोलेंगे, how you have to dress, what you have to say, कैसे करना है, क्या करना है, अभी तुम्हारी शादी हो गई है, तुम एक बहू हो, कैसे अपने आप को प्रेजेंट करना है, all of that. तो वो प्रेजेंटेशन का ही टेंशन रहता है women को all the time, which I feel like that you have to decide for yourself. What are your boundaries? If you want to be in this industry or any industry,
And
you decide your boundaries.
did you lose a few projects because of this, because of the stand that you've taken?
No.
No, you never.
No, I never lost anything. And I feel like I also know some people, I don't see them around me. Those people who were trying to be, I don't see them around me. I only see people who are very respectful of women. Their career is shining. I don't see those people around me, even if they had bad intentions.
Nice.
I don't see them
Divine
going long.
Intervention.
जिनकी अच्छी इंटेंशन होती है ना,
जी.
वो men आप देखोगे वो बहुत अच्छा करते हैं mostly.
जी.
ऐसा नहीं है, there is an exception everywhere. But even women also. I mean, we need a positive society. We need a positive environment.
True.
Anywhere we go, where we work, women especially work late nights, especially in entertainment industry, the
Right.
working hours are late.
Right.
So our parents शुरू में बहुत चिंता करते थे, लेट आ रहे हो, अकेली फ्लाइट लेके जा रहे हो. Like I've traveled to so many countries alone to perform. But my father just told me once, just know that wherever you are, we should be proud of you. Whatever you're doing, we should be proud of you. And I never forgot that. I'm like, if I'm alone in this room with this person, and what is the intention here? My parents should be proud of me. So I never forgot that.
Proud and how. Not only your parents, but all of us. Last couple of questions about money. How good are you with money? Do you guys take care of your own finances? Are you good with money? Has the relationship with money changed ever since you were growing up, from middle class family in Pitampura to now superstars that you guys are? Are you spenders? Are you savers? Shakti, we'll start with you.
Worst question for me.
Why not good with money?
I mean, I never looked at it like it's something very important.
Okay.
And I feel like people give it a lot of importance.
Right.
I mean, ठीक है, सबकी अपनी अपनी वैल्यू है. But जितना लोग अपना इन्वेस्टमेंट्स और पैसे को लेके जितनी टेंशन लेते हैं, आई थिंक उतना ध्यान अपनी खुशी पे रखना चाहिए कि पैसे कल नहीं है, पर उसके बेसिस पे आपकी खुशी नहीं होनी चाहिए. Like people don't talk about how happy are you. People talk about your bank balance, and that is the saddest state. And I feel like
okay, how happy are you, Shakti?
I'm like beyond.
You were going to say I'm amazing?
Not
I'm
good.
beyond explanation. Like I cannot say how happy I am. I'm getting to do what I want to do, and there are very few people who love what they do. So it's the biggest blessing in the world, and no amount of money can bring this feeling.
True.
So I feel like people should give less importance to money and then actually be doing what they love and be satisfied.
Right.
वो
No, I'll tell
satisfaction
you
नहीं मिलता है लोगों को.
where am I coming from? I usually want to ask all these successful women this money question because I feel as a feminist, I identify myself as a complete feminist. I feel that women should have more financial independence to
Absolutely.
attain equality. So I want to understand when women like you who are super successful, what is your relationship with money? That's the
Absolutely, I agree with you. People, everyone, women, men, everyone should have financial independence.
Right.
Having said that, especially women in the country, because they become unpaid laborers for life.
Right.
When they get married, and I feel like that is, not taking anything away from them, but they are working day and night, and that is not given the kind of respect that
Absolutely.
they deserve. Maybe not money, but at least respect is something that they deserve for sure, because they work day and night. They don't have a single day off, and then nobody turns around and says thank you to them. Not everyone.
Yeah.
So I find that degrading. But if my mother had a choice, I know that she is so hardworking. Like she would be heading companies and maybe owning her own company. But then उनके पास financial independence नहीं है.
Right.
Which I definitely promote for all the women. Like they should go out.
I
and
feel
get a
that
job.
husbands should share a part of their salaries with the wives because they're running the house, raising kids, doing an unpaid job 365 days a year. So, like
I
you're
think
so...
वो देना भी वो ऐसा होता है कि like I'm giving you.
Exactly.
But then
वो
women
नहीं-
का काम ये नहीं होता है कि I'm
You
doing
deserve
it for
it.
you.
Exactly.
For
does
You
it
yourself.
go
deserve
like
it.
that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It just
Yeah.
feels like I'm giving you.
Yeah,
Like
yeah.
I'm the boss.
Yeah.
You
Yeah. Listen, you guys are doing incredibly well. Do you want to add on, Neeti, Mukti, about the money question?
Anything you want to add?
But I feel because अभी बहुत women जो है ना वो independent हो गई हैं. So it's nice to see that women are taking interest in earning and also having a very healthy relationship with their husbands, because a lot of women I know earn sometimes more than their husbands also. But I feel like then it's just nice to see that side also.
Right.
That now we have so many successful women
Yeah.
that it's nice that husbands support them.
Right.
So I endorse that women have to be financially independent.
True.
That changes the game. That changes the game if you're married or you're unmarried, because that makes you take your own decisions, gives you choices that you can make for yourself. You never have to wait कि मेरे को कोई बोलेगा तो मैं करूँगी. I don't think life is too short. You have to take your own decisions, and women are very wise. Women are very intelligent, they are intuitive. So I feel like this opportunity should not be taken away from them.
Absolutely.
Just because of money.
Absolutely. Newly wedded?
Yeah.
What's happening with Kunal, who is a friend, by the way?
So I think this is the best feeling.
Right.
I genuinely think like being with your best friend all the time
Right.
and discussing things, even without thinking, and with a look, you just know, okay, okay.
अच्छा मतलब
So हाँ पता लग जाता है कि even if there is something that you're feeling, what you're going through, and I think when you are in a city like Mumbai, when you're surrounded with things and projects and wants and needs and desires. So you somehow get to think a lot. I'm enjoying the feeling of being myself, being happy, and I just want to feel the life. I want to feel alive, and I feel that मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. मैं बहुत
No,
खुश
cool,
हूँ.
करीना
cool.
कपूर का डायलॉग नहीं था बचपन से ना मुझे शादी करने का बड़ा शौक था. My God, ये वो वाले फेज में है.
No, but I believe in this institution and I believed in it. And I
Right,
genuinely
right.
felt I was waiting for the right person.
Right, right. Where did you
I
guys
wish-
meet though? Where did you guys meet?
Yeah, even I want to know.
We met, we met for an audition. And
अच्छा
also,
ये लाइफ का ऑडिशन चल रहा था वहाँ पे.
audition था, but वो audition के बाद actually, the story began. But we were going to be casted for a project. Somebody was making a मुंशी प्रेमचंद जी की कहानी
Oh,
पे
nice.
एक फिल्म बनने वाली थी लॉकडाउन के टाइम और वो then we met and I was like okay, we did a reading and then we didn't meet. And then randomly one fine day after 1 year, Kunal just texted me. He's like, listen, I have an audition. Do you want to help me? This is an international project and all that. I was like, okay. And that's how we met.
Nice.
Like, genuinely, I got to meet him that day.
So the project didn't take off, but your lives did, huh?
Yeah.
That's a good line, right?
Good line. Yeah.
Nice. Okay, we're going to wrap up with a quick who's more likely to between among three of you, okay?
Oh, nice.
Okay.
I like this.
Who
So
has to answer?
all three of
Of
you.
course, us.
Okay?
Just point.
Just point or just take names, okay?
Okay, done.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's see whether this is unanimous or not. Who's more likely to crack the most inappropriate joke amongst friends?
Mukti.
Mukti?
All fingers on me.
Mukti.
Yeah,
Inappropriate.
absolutely. Yeah.
Between three of us, yeah.
I mean, just most random things.
If you guys can think of any incident, please feel free to
No,
share.
joke नहीं बोल सकते. PJ होगा वो.
अच्छा वो पीछे होगा.
It'll be a
कहीं पे
random
भी
thing.
कुछ भी.
अच्छा कहीं पे भी कुछ भी.
Yeah,
2 रुपए किलो.
yeah, I'm the floaty, like the
Fruity.
and the floaty, I was going to say, because it just pops in my head and I would say it because this is my safe space.
हाँ.
I'm not judged here, okay? It's only for you.
Safe
guys.
space is scratched and burnt.
Who's more likely to break into a fun uncle step wala dance? Like full
Do.
Oh,
I think without or with coffee, me.
मतलब do, yeah, maybe, yeah.
Yeah.
Niti, okay, great. Who's more likely to drop everything and go on an adventure? Like
Shakti.
Shakti
Just
is
came
the
back.
traveler.
Yuri Mukti, it's okay, but I already booked my trip. I'm going.
Wow.
I will not miss a wedding for anything.
Not,
Come on.
not for a wedding,
I
but
just came back from Kazakhstan.
But right
10
before
days
the
of
wedding.
Wild adventure
yeah.
trip.
Kazakhstan, huh?
Kazakhstan.
कभी अभी recently, huh?
Abhi just
He's
came
come
back
2
2
days before.
What do you say? Kazakhstan?
Kazakhstan.
Kazakhstan.
What
It's
is
Kazakhstan.
Nukhta भी है उसमें Nukhta.
Who's more likely to forget their lines / steps during a live performance? Mukti.
I have so much evidence.
please share some incidents where
Evidence
she.
you can't share, huh? No, you can't.
मतलब
बचपन
backstage
से
इतनी
this has been
rehearsal कर रहे हैं.
happening.
अभी हमारा एक मोहन सिस्टर्स लाइव शो होता है
हाँ,
तीनों बहनों का.
हाँ.
एंड मैं बैक स्टेज मुक्ति को रिवाइज कर रही हूँ. हमारा डुएट है दोनों का साथ में.
Yeah, yeah.
मुक्ति रिवाइज हम स्टेज पे एंटर करें और मुक्ति इज इन फ्रंट ऑफ मी एंड आई एम बिहाइंड हर. शी केम एंड शी स्टूड बिहाइंड मी एंड आई एम लाइक आई डोंट नो आगे क्या करोगे, क्या कर रही है. एंड देन
In
What do you
my
say? And then
defense,
In your defense,
back
my
to
lord.
back, 2
और
performances
अभी
had
रिवाइज किया
happened.
2 मिनट पहले बैक स्टेज.
Yeah,
But
but I
then-
was just like,
उसको blackout हो
I
गया.
just completely went like, I was like, I should go behind her. She's like, no, you are.
I didn't say anything, the audience can see. I was like, okay, now something has to happen now.
Listen, I had such a ball. I think you were telling me that this is your first podcast, all of three of you appearing together
Yes.
on any podcast, right?
Yes.
I'm so happy that you did it with City 1016 with me, Lokesh. I had such a ball. And I think all of you, like all 4 of you for that matter, I know that Preeti also does like a lot of work back end.
Yes.
Yeah.
I think you guys are so inspiring, not only to like young women, but young men as well. And more power to you. Before you leave, do you want to say anything to all your fans? There are plenty many here in the UAE, in Dubai. Do you have any message for them?
I have a message.
Please.
I have a message for our Indian athletes
Right.
who are competing at Olympics right now.
You are performing.
And I'm performing there on 6th of August.
Yes.
So I'm extremely honored.
Wow.
So I have a message
proud.
from all of us Indians to all the athletes who have worked so hard so many years.
Right.
We are proud of you.
Right.
And even if you bring the medal or not, we are really proud of your effort. You're
Yeah.
representing our nation. So Jai Hind.
Woo! Woo! Mukti, Shakti, anything? You have like a couple of shows coming up. You have a movie.
Yes.
Life Hill Gayi, 11-11.
Yeah. So there is this, I think, like last 2.5 years, I was working on various projects, and I always believed that there is an invisible chameleon within me, and I want it to be unleashed. And trust me, this is not random. This is what I believe in. If something is happening to you, I can empathize to a level that I can feel your pain so
Right,
much.
right.
This is how I have been.
Right.
Like,
Why
so
not my pain?
being because your pain is random. So
Granted.
Can you explain what do you mean when you say her pain is random?
My pain is everyday's pain.
no, her pain is only like to get the job done.
Right.
You know.
Right.
I'm upset with you because you've not done this for me. So I know that she's just trying to get her stuff done with me. That's why she's upset. Otherwise, she's
Nice.
never upset. She
Shakti's-
forgets also.
शक्ति की आंखें बड़ी होती जा रही हैं एकदम
Very
बिल्कुल।
badi. I
हाँ,
know
काफी
you
बड़ी।
very well. But to
Coming back to
that,
the- yeah.
to the invisible chameleon that I
Right.
have. But jokes apart, I always wanted to act, and I used to act in plays, and
Right.
I'm really, I think there is a divine blessing. There is truth in your craft, and if you work hard, things are
Will
delivered
happen.
to you on a platter, and I believe in it. And not exaggerating the 3 releases in a month. but-
Exaggerate, please.
Oh
Why not?
God,
Yeah,
but
you've
I'm
worked hard.
Genuinely telling you, like one is a thriller. It is 11-11, which is going to release on the 9th of August on Z5. The other one is a comedy, and a comedy of errors.
Right.
And it's called Life Hill Gayi, which is releasing on the same day, 9th August.
Hotstar.
Hotstar.
That you
Disney.
are.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
See,
Thank
there you go. Huh.
And there's a
Romance.
horror film.
Oh, okay.
Which is releasing. Really interesting concept, and which is rooted in our Hindu culture as well.
Okay.
And it's called A Wedding Story. The name of the film is A Wedding Story, which is releasing in the theatres.
Wow.
And in minimum, I think 255 theatres all over the country. This is what I know. So I was like, what? All this is happening in the month of August. So I genuinely, I think this is how it was always meant to be, or it was always supposed to be.
Yeah,
That
yeah.
it not just one, but there's so many flavors of you. Let me deliver this to
Yeah,
you.
yeah.
So I say thank you to God, to all
More of
the
Mukti
makers.
Mohan in August. Yeah, we are
Yeah,
not
yeah.
complaining at all. Yeah.
Yeah.
And please don't minimize yourself. Exaggerate as much
Yeah.
as you can because you worked bloody hard for
Yes,
this. So
deserve it all.
exactly.
So
She's
sweet.
worked more hard on these shows than her own wedding. She's only come as a guest.
Yeah.
Trust me. We know.
Was she a
She has worked the hardest in my wedding.
was she a bridezilla or a bridechilla? Was
Zilla
she
for
chilling?
sure, for
Zilla?
them.
Zilla. No?
Zilla, sorry.
Bridezilla. no?
Bridezilla.
Shakti, you want to say anything? Oh, she can't say on.
But as soon as
It's beyond Bridezilla.
Bridezilla, till
No,
it was.
No. She was super chill.
Super chill?
Yeah, super chill. I mean, we're trying to get everything together, and she's going to one place to the other and still managing everything. I
Right,
think
right.
I think it was.
bride winner.
Ooh.
New word. Delete this. Like, delete this. मैंने गलती से बड़ाई कर दी.
Yeah, doesn't suit me.
Sweet.
Shakti, last words from you.
Last
Yeah.
words.
Yeah.
In life. Okay.
It sounds so morbid, right? Last
Yeah.
words. Parting words.
To everyone who's listening and watching, I want to say that life is too short. You have to live every day like it's your last and enjoy your life to the fullest. Nothing matters. Success, followers, likes and ये सब आजकल उसके चक्कर में सब बहुत घूम रहे हैं.
Really.
And I think मतलब कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. Like you go anywhere, like आप छोटा बड़ा कुछ काम आपके दिमाग में है, ये सब कुछ भी नहीं मैटर करता है. Like all you need to do is just enjoy every day like a crazy person, and life will go past so fast. Like you will not know ये time कहाँ चला गया.
True.
और हम एक दूसरे को प्रूव करने में इतने लगे पड़े हैं कि like it doesn't matter. Like you are constantly on that loop of और successful होना है और पैसे कमाना है. Like उस रेस में मैं मतलब सबको अच्छा लगता है कि आप बढ़ रहे हो, आगे बढ़ रहे हो, पर उसके साथ साथ ये माइंडसेट रखो कि लाइफ पूरी एंजॉय करके आगे बढ़ना है, वरना नहीं बढ़ना है. मतलब उसको इतना इंपॉर्टेंस नहीं देना है.
Right.
एंड बाकी अबाउट माई वर्क एंड माई लाइफ, please follow me on Instagram at Mohan Shakti and subscribe to my channel on YouTube for all our shows and everything that we are doing
Right.
comes up there.
Right.
And thank you for your love and support. I think none of us could be here without the blessings of everyone. Like anyone we meet genuinely speaks to us from their heart saying that, you know, we voted for you and we love what you do. And that means the world to us. Like that's everything we need in our lives. So thank you from the bottom of my
Yeah,
heart.
they have chosen us.
Yeah,
Yes.
they have
You
pretty
know,
much.
people have chosen us
Yeah,
because
yeah.
they saw us in our respective reality shows. So we are so grateful.
Because
and
you
it's a
guys,
responsibility now
yeah,
to
yeah.
prove it, you know, not prove, like to
live up to their expectations.
yeah, and to just excel
Hmm.
in what we
Yeah,
we are doing.
yeah.
And
yeah.
also to so many people who come in this industry thinking that, you know, ये गलत industry है, यहाँ पे ऐसे होता है, वैसे होता है. I mean, we all have come from line में लग के,
True.
audition दे के.
True.
And a lot of people think that यहाँ drugs and parties and ये सब होता है. Like none of us are those people. We only hang out. आप अगर हमारा Instagram भी देखेंगे, it's all, only just us and our nephew. So it doesn't matter. Like your work speaks for you. You don't have to follow a path. Like everything happens in every industry.
You're right.
Corporate में भी होता है.
True.
हर industry में कुछ ना कुछ सही और गलत होता है. So you have to choose what is it. So I would say people who are holding back कि हमें industry में जाना है, like I love to dance, I love to sing, act, और आप रुक रहे हो ये सोच के, तो please कभी मत रुकना. Like you should follow your heart because nothing beats the feeling of, you know, doing what you love. You can make more money, you can be more famous, but if you're unhappy,
I agree.
everything's defeated.
Absolutely. And right now we are going to follow our paths to our beloved coffees, जो कि अब थोड़ी थोड़ी ठंडी हो रही है, तो चलो 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 कॉफी पीने चलते
No, no,
हैं.
but thank you,
you
Lokesh.
for
This is
having
the
us.
most low-key energizer talk that we have ever had, and this is our first podcast. So thank you so much.
Thank
Lokesh,
you
for
so
having
much.
us.
No, seriously, I had a ball. I have been a fan of all three of you, the entire family, and every time I see you guys do well in your lives, it, like I said, it just feels personal, you know. So that's the
sweet of
connect.
you.
That's the connect that I have with all
And
three
we are
of
so
you.
proud of you, Lokesh from Pitampura.
Pitampura.
City 1016.